What's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about iOS 14.4 update. So last night I got iOS 14.4 update on my iPhone XR. So I had taken a screenshot, as you can see. So it came around 342 megabytes, as you can see on the screen on my iPhone XR. Now this iOS 14.4 update is available from the devices iPhone 6s until iPhone 12. So if you're having any of the devices from iPhone 6s to iPhone 12, you should be able to get this update. So in this video I'm going to talk about what and all the new features that I am able to see on my iPhone XR. This is an iPhone XR, and so since it's a new update, we're going to talk about that. Also going to talk about the battery life update and the performance along with the new features of iOS 14.4. So let's just start the video. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos, I would really request you to do subscribe to this channel because it motivates me a lot, and also give this video a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is an iPhone XR, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the new features and also going to talk about the update details on my iPhone XR. So I had taken a screenshot last night when I got the update, so let me show you. So it came around 342 megabytes, as you can see. Now it depends on device to device. If you have iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12, or maybe iPhone 7, 8 or 10, the update size may vary for you. For my case, or for iPhone XR, it came around iOS 14.4 as 342 megabytes. If you're coming from iOS 14.3, or maybe if you're on beta, then the update size could vary for you as well. So as you can see, I downloaded it last night, and also I had taken other screenshots as well. So let me show you. So before updating, as you can see, the build number was 18C66 and the available space was 32.67 GB. Now let me go to the settings and let me show you that it is running on iOS 14.4. So as you can see, this is iOS 14.4 and the final built version is 18D52. Now talking about the available free space left, as you can see, it's been reduced. It's now 30.69 GB from 32 GB, and also the modem firmware version is same. So also Apple said that they have updated the modem firmware. So if you are having any kind of network issues and all, so those should be resolved with this iOS 14.4 update. So that's regarding the update size and all. Now let's talk about some of the new features that Apple has released with this iOS 14.4. So the first thing has to do with the Bluetooth. So if you are connected with any of the other devices in Bluetooth, so let me show you my Bluetooth section. So as you can see, apart from Apple Airpods Pro, there are many devices like CarKit 3166 and speaker. So those are connected in my Bluetooth section. Now if I tap on this CarKit, there is a new option which says device type. So this device type actually gives you a better kind of accuracy in terms of headphone volume level. So if you are on a car and connected to the CarKit, so that time the iOS will understand that it's a car, so it will not affect the headphone volume level. So this device type option is now available under Bluetooth section. So if you have any other devices connected, so just tap on this I option and you would be able to see this device option. So this is a new feature that Apple has provided. Now in terms of the QR code, so Apple has said that, so if you basically have that, let me show you. So this is a QR code scanner, as you can see. So Apple has said that now it's able to search and scan the smaller QR codes. So that's regarding one of the new features. Now people have been complaining that in terms of iMessage, in terms of typing throughout the OS, they were facing keyboard lag. Now with iOS 14.4, that issue has been fixed. Let me know in the comment section that whether you were facing keyboard lag, and Apple said that it should be now fixed with iOS 14.4 update. So that's that. Now with iOS 14.4 update, everybody was talking about anti-tracking policy. So if you have installed any third-party application, so capability of that application to track you over throughout the operating system wherever you visit, so it's been limited with iOS 14.4 update. So I was just installing a third-party application. It's a calculator from Apple App Store, as you can see, I got this pop-up suddenly which says allow calculator to track your activities across other company apps and website. You can, of course, if you want, you can opt out from this, or you can allow this. So it basically gives you the two options: ask app not to track or allow. So with iOS 14.4 it's becoming more and more prominent, although I haven't got such kind of Facebook pop-up, although I have Facebook application installed. Let me know that whether you are getting such kind of pop-ups. I got this pop-up with a third-party application. I think so this is getting more and more visible and prominent with iOS 14.4, and Apple is really working hard on this update. So I got this pop-up, so I just wanted to let you know that with iOS 14.4 the anti-tracking feature is also very much prevalent. Apart from that, now let me talk about the battery life. So many of you were facing issues in terms of battery life, so let me show you my battery health first, as I do with every video. So if I go to this battery, so it supports the peak performance capability, as you can see. So it supports the peak performance capability, and the capacity of the battery is 90%. So now battery life is something that I would take few days to comment upon, since this is a new update and it's just been 12 to 13 hours. So how's the battery life, I cannot comment. But if you talk about the battery life, let me show you the battery health section of my device. So if I go to last 10 days, I said that the iOS 14.3 was not the best in terms of battery life, but iOS 14.2 was a very good update in terms of battery life. So if you see that here in iOS 14.4 update, if I show you the battery screen on section, so I'm getting average screen on time of 5 hours 25 minutes, as you can see yesterday. So my screen has been battery has been used till 50%, and on that I got a screen on time of 5 hours 53 minutes. So 50% usage and I got screen on time of 5 hours 53 minutes. So means 100% usage, I should be easily getting average screen on time of more than 8 to 9 hours. So that's actually good. But many of you have commented that iOS 14.3 in terms of battery life, especially in the cases of older iPhones wherein you have iPhone 6, 6s or iPhone SE first generation, has not been great in terms of battery life. So I hope that iOS 14.4 would be great, or at least stable in terms of battery life. So do make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I would be coming up with a separate battery life update after few days using this iOS 14.4 on my iPhone XR. So do subscribe and do stay tuned for that. I will come back to you guys with the battery life update. Now one more thing I want to point out regarding the performance. So as I said before with my iOS 14.3 follow-up review videos, that there is a performance issue with iOS 14.3 update, and iPhone XR is also no exception. So it's a pretty powerful iPhone. It runs on A12 Bionic chip, but whenever you open an application and when you close this, there's a kind of jitteriness that you are sometimes able to notice. It's very much difficult to show you in front of the camera. And also if you go to the widget section, just normally scroll throughout the OS. If you maybe probably visit the app library section and then go back, visit your home screen, then again go to the widget section, there's a slight lag sometimes you are able to see. So since yesterday night I have installed this update, I'm not able to see this kind of lag, but this is something that should be fixed with iOS 14.4 update. So I'm not sure whether it has been fixed or not, because it happens only 1 out of 10 times. So as of now, if I open Instagram and let it load, and I'll just close it, so as you can see, it's opening very smooth and fast, and there is no lag whatsoever. So I am not able to see that lag. Probably Apple has fixed with this latest iOS 14.4. So stay tuned, I will come up with a performance review as well. So I hope that Apple has fixed that battery issues and the performance issues to extent that where people are not facing so much of issues. So I at least hope that. And in terms of new features, as I've said, with iOS 14.4 there are many features. If you have a HomePod device and if your phone supports U1, that means if you are one of those person who have new iPhones and has U1 chip inside, then you have that handoff feature which Apple has released with that iOS 14.4 and things like that. So there were many features that I talked about, and some of those I might have missed in this video. So let me know that what kind of features that you are able to experience and what are the device that you are using with iOS 14.4. So then again, I hope you like this small video. I will come back to you guys with iOS 14.4 follow-up review video. This is just an initial impression video wherein I talked about the update size and what are the new changes that I am able to see. Now if you talk about whether you should upgrade to iOS 14.4, if you are on iOS 14.3. So I would say you need to upgrade this, because apart from the new features and the battery life, Apple has mentioned on their official website that they had put in a lot of security fixes with iOS 14.4. If I can, I will provide a link in the video description, so wherein you can go and see that they have fixed many of the CVE vulnerabilities that were present in iOS 14.3. So it's not only about the battery life and the performance and the visual features that you are able to experience with the new update. It also talks about the security vulnerabilities within the OS that you may not be able to see with your eyes, but that should be damaging or very harmful when it comes to different perspective of using the phone. So definitely I would suggest, if you are on iOS 14.3, do upgrade to iOS 14.4. In that way you would get some of the new features and also a lot of new security fixes that Apple has pushed with iOS 14.4. So then again, this video I have tried explaining what are the new features and the battery life and the performance on my iPhone 10R specifically. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of device you are using, and definitely do subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and do give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.